everyone, we have this litter of Belgian Malinois. They're about 7 weeks old, and we have been exposing them to a lot of loud noises, different surfaces and whatnot, just doing a good imprinting. But today we're gonna introduce them to gunshots. It's a 38 millimeter blank, so it's gonna be pretty loud. And the way we do it is, well, we started when they were 3 weeks old, making noise with 2 bowls, and little by little we increased the loudness. But what you really want to do is get the puppies distracted, get them focused on something that they really want. In this case, meat. At this age, their biggest drive is their primal drive, the instinct to survive. So you can see they're pretty focused on the meat. So now we're gonna detonate one shot and see how they react. And genetics play a big role in this, in the reaction. So, puppies with strong genetics, they're going to handle it better than ones that have weak genetics. This puppy is super possessive and aggressive when food is around. So we're going to do another shot. So they're pretty okay with it. So this is a way to expose them, to make sure that they will never have any issues with loud noises, like for instance holidays where people love to use fireworks, or if you live out in the country where people shoot a lot, then these puppies are already cured. They won't flinch. Well, thanks for watching the video.